Are you a hands-on person or DIYer? Or you just like to watch somebody else do that stuff? If so, then you're in the right place. My name's Jesus, or Jesus, whatever you want to call me. I have a little bit of woodworking experience and some power tools laying around. In this channel, you can expect to see anything from simple DIYs to more extreme building projects and everything in between. I'm eager to learn new techniques and skills and show you guys along the way. I believe that making instead of buying will not only save you money, but you will take more pride over something you built over something you just bought.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for
To get the latest projects built, so make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and I can't wait to show you guys what I have in mind for the future projects.